Hey folks, it's Wild Bill, Six Ben's Harley Davidson. Just want to let you know we had a great day today. It's the end of the day. We're all sitting at home, chilling out, taking a deep breath because what a day it was. This afternoon we had our hog chapter here. They got to check out all the new 17s that came on the truck straight from Milwaukee, just to us, about 20 models altogether. They were able to see that new Milwaukee 8 engine. They would get to feel it, they got to see it, they got to hear it and smell it. It was a great time. This evening we had a wonderful party, a big celebration, lots of balloons, lots of fanfare, lots of drinks, lots of food. It was a great time. Everybody had a great time. So I wanted to let you know what's going on this weekend because it's really important. So we're going to have another truck coming tomorrow. It's coming in from Milwaukee, about 15 more bikes on it with some new colors, some new things going on, and we want you to come by. We want you to be here. We're going to have the Hypnoticals playing from 1 to 4. It's going to be some great music. We're going to have dollar beers. We're going to have food. We're going to have a great afternoon. Come and see those bikes roll off the truck and see if you can pick out your next new color. On Sunday is going to be a blast. We're going to have Chain Reaction here. All you Journey fans, let's go back to the 80s. Let's hear some Journey. They're going to be here from 1 to 4. We're going to have vendors. We're going to have food. We're going to have food trucks. We're going to have beer, dollar beers again. It is going to be a fantastic weekend. Listen, the most important thing is test rides. We've got our bikes all set up for you guys to start test riding that beautiful Milwaukee 8 107 that's in those bikes. You've got to come down. Take the Six Ben's Challenge because that's what we're here for. There's nobody that does it better here at Six Ben's Harley Davidson.